In this video, I'm going to show you how to build an app with Replit. Now, this is going to be very simple because they use AI, and of course, it can help you with a lot when it comes to building an app. So the first thing you want to do when you come to replit.com, you want to sign into your account, and then you will have to go over here on the left where it says apps. You want to click on that. And here to create a new one, you want to click on create, the plus create button top right. And here you'll have to basically either choose a template, you can choose over here, or you can just create with this Replit agent, which of course will help you, of course, automatically create the app with AI. So I'm going to just type in here, create a simple timer app for me. Okay, so that's very simple. Of course, the more in-depth you describe, the better app you'll be able to create, but for me it's gonna be fine right now. For this tutorial, it's going to just create a simple timer app for myself. So after you've done this, you want to click on start chat over here, and you'll see that it's going to start building. Now currently it's still planning and it's thinking, so this process usually takes a few seconds, and then after that's done, there we go, it will understand, and then it will basically start making the implementation plan, and then it's going to just start building. Now this usually takes like a few minutes. As you can see, it gave it a name over here, and basically it's going to just wait for the visual preview where you're going to be able to see how it's building the timer app in real time. So yeah, this is essentially what it's going to happen over here, and then once that's done, you have to click approve plan in case you approve, and it's going to just start building itself, and when it's done, it will notify you and you'll be able to start using it. So here on the left, let me show you one of my apps actually. So this is currently the timer app. I also created one earlier, which is a calculator essentially. So it automatically coded this calculator for me over here. So as you can see, if I open up this preview, it's still loading the page. There we go. And now I can just use it like I would with any calculator because it works like a charm. As you can see, it's calculating everything correctly. It knows all the different things. It has the keyboard input supported, etc. So of course, that's how you do it. That's how you build an app. It's literally that easy. And then you can open up your files, you can manage them, you can edit anything you would like, and of course you can open up the console if you'd like to, the database, etc. So you can do essentially whatever you want, but this AI will help you code as good as you would like, because of course it can do pretty much anything. It is very powerful. So as you can see, this one is still building. There we go. So this is just a preview right now. It's still creating, but it kind of created a great app, which is exactly what I wanted. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.